Hi, welcome to a new GoForIt video. Today I will replace the intake pipe on this BMW G31. When I did the service to this car belongs to a friend, and when I did the service you can see the video here up in one side or the other. When I did that service I noticed that we have a massive leak from the intake pipe where it connects to the turbo. So we order a new pipe, a replacement one, and today I will change it. So let's start by removing the reinforcement bar. You have an E14 on this side and we have a 16 millimeters on this side. With a small flat screwdriver, let's remove the MAF sensor. Now with the Torx T30 you can undo this screw here. Next, with the Torx T25 you can undo all the 6 screws that hold the air filter box, and also the one there in the corner with the Torx T20. We can now undo this band. You can both use a flat screwdriver or a 6 millimeter socket. So the cover of the airbox is now removed. We can take the air filter. It's still in good shape. We changed it not long time ago. Remove this bolt or this screw. It's a T20. We can remove it together, but we'll get better access removing this guy here. So let's take this one also with a 6 millimeters. You can now have a better look. You see all the oil that we have coming from the intake pipe. Now this airbox, maybe I will push it out so I can get better access to that bolt down there. This one we should just be able to push it. From these grommets. We have 3 grommets to hold it in place. You see how oily this is? Just push these clips, just push the vent. You need to press both clips, as you see in here, and then push it up. Now down here we have a bolt E11 that holds the pipe. Now I will use this pry tool to try to take the clip from there. That clip down there. I can show you in the new one. You see how it is? The clip is just like this. We need to push this clip out. Let's see if I will be able to do it with this. Okay, it is off. And if, like me, you like to do the job properly with the right torque specs, you need to check eManual online, where you can get access to over 2.5 million repair manuals. You can browse by category, or you can come to the search bar and search for what you need. As soon as you have everything that you need on your shopping cart, you can proceed to checkout and you get instant access to all the stuff you need. As an example, for this BMW, for the engine oil, you have the maintenance plan, and when you get in the service itself, it gives you the warnings, the detailed procedure step by step, and also the torque specs that you need. When performing a more complex repair job, you get all the special tools that you need, all the preliminary tasks, and then the step-by-step again with images, descriptions and notes. And now for a limited time you can get 22% off using the code GFI22. I will leave you a link and the discount code in the description. Now let's go back to the video. And the pipe, it simply came off like this. We have here this O-ring that you should replace. We got it new from BMW also. Well, I don't see any orientation. It seems equal on both sides. I will just remove the old one and install the new. Down here on the turbo flange. Here it is. Out with the old, in with the new. Now it is sitting perfect. So I am now ready to fit in the new pipe. All this is assembled. Just need to remove this cover. Just need to push it in and this will clip in place. And then reinstall all the other stuff that we have removed. If you want to know, the pipe is the 13718573423. Now be sure that you have the hose here clean and aligned, and you should be able to press it in. You heard it clicked in, and this one is also in place. Now let's refit the E11 bolt right there. Now on the reverse order we can click in the vent tube. Next I will refit the airbox. With the airbox in place we can refit this box. We just need to slide it in here, align it there, and now refit this Torx T30 and the T20 in the other side. Be sure that it is pushed well against the flange and tight the clamp. Next, refit the air filter. Now we need to refit the airbox cover. Okay, now we are in place. It's well connected. We can tighten with the Torx T25 all the bolts around the airbox. Don't forget to replug the MAF and press the clip down here to finalize the job. We just need to reinstall the reinforcement bar. This was the video for today. I really hope you enjoyed it and it can be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Follow me also on the social networks where I post regular updates between the videos. See you on the next one. Bye!